Is your productivity stopped because ImageLine can't find the NewTone Pitch Editor DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. To start the walkthrough for NewTone Pitch Editor, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the NewTone Pitch Editor, the primary engine library for the NewTone Pitch and Time Editing plugin within FL Studio, implementing spectral analysis and formant-shifting algorithms. It enables detailed vocal manipulation. If absent, FL Studio may report errors such as the plugin Newtone could not be found, preventing vocal editing features from loading. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. To properly restore NewTone Pitch Editor DLL, we must refresh both the software runtimes and hardware drivers. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime for legacy DirectX compatibility, and update your GPU software if the file is part of your system's compute or graphics stack. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered NewTone Pitch Editor component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Replacing NewTone Pitch Editor without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including NewTone Pitch Editor management references. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for NewTone Pitch Editor, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.